Hey guys, Jake from Off-Road TV.
Hey guys, Darren from Off-Road TV.
We're just sitting here and chatting and drinking coffee. We'll be talking about a few things and some gadgets that we want for our cars. And I actually have something for you.
Really? I do like when you bring stuff.
Yeah, I constantly keep bringing him presents. He never gets anything from me. But here, I get it.
You bought everything for your car already.
A few moments later.
Do you know what this is?
Oh, wowzer. I do. I've actually been looking at these for a little while on online, thinking about one for the trailer.
So this is the Ecoxgear soundbar.
Yeah, nice.
To be honest with you guys, Ecoxgear did send this to us to have a look at it and see what we think and test it. That said, if it's crap, we'll tell you. If it's awesome, we'll tell you.
We will.
We'll give it a proper test. They say that this is mud-proof, sand-proof, waterproof, shock-proof, and snow-proof. So we'll test all of that.
We'll have to find some snow.
We'll find snow. But this is yours.
Wow.
I thought for your trailer this would be a great addition.
Thank you, man. That's going to be awesome. That will be a great addition.
Yeah.
I've got a space that I've just allocated perfectly for that.
Right above the bar.
Right above the bar. Yeah. So every bar needs a sound bar, and it's got flashy blue lights that match the FJ.
This has blue lights.
Yeah. See, you can change the color of the lights.
Oh,
Different colors.
see? Lights.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it says RGB.
Yeah, it's got a few different colors. So we're gonna have to find.
Well, it says it has a light bar. Where's the light bar?
Well, that's the lights there, isn't it?
No, it says,
Why don't we take it out of the box? And
oh,
see?
look at that.
Oh yeah, at the
It's got a
back.
light bar at the back.
Yeah, nice.
So if you angle it down a little bit, the back,
We'll get some.
so you get sound going everywhere and then light going down.
Yeah.
Because it has 3 different lights, white, yellow and orange, to not attract bugs.
Perfect.
Welcome to Off-Road TV unboxing.
I do like it. It's like Christmas.
I'm gonna get something to stab it with.
Yeah.
I don't know where you're hiding your weaponry, so I just stole a key.
Got a key. Oh, it's even got a remote control.
Really?
Yeah.
That is cool though, because that means you can just sit and chill.
Yeah. I can change the lights, this volume, the whole shebang. That is sweet.
Oh, so that's the bracket. I was wondering how this attaches to the...
Yeah, that's what we'll have to work out, how we get it onto the trailer.
So I assume that clips to the side and this attaches to...
Yeah.
Alright, bracket.
What else?
And pull the box. Oh, smart.
Oh, nice.
Got one of these so it doesn't...
Anything else?
Should be another bracket.
Yeah, there's another bracket.
Man, this thing is a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah.
I mean, it does say how many inches it is. So this is the SE26, which I think is their mid-range model now.
They've got a bigger one now. So this one's 64.8 centimeters long, and it's got 500 watt maximum output. That's gonna be sweet.
Well, this is your toy now.
Well, thank you, kind sir. I'm very impressed. Wow, it weighs more than I expected.
It is like, you can feel it's built solid.
Yeah, that is.
It's definitely not flimsy or anything.
Yeah, no, that is rock solid. That's good.
Yeah, so this is the second bracket.
Okay.
There's more stuff.
How much does it weigh?
But wait, there's more.
There's more?
So according to the box, this is 500 watts peak power.
Yeah.
It has 8 speakers total, 2 tweeters, 4 mid-range and 2 woofers.
Okay.
Woofers.
Yeah.
It's got Bluetooth 5.0.
Yep.
Runs on 12 volts. So it has Ecocast. Ecocast allows for wireless connection of 2 or more Ecoxgear speakers and soundbars. So you can have like 4 of these around the trailer and link them all together.
That would be cool. Or you could have on your car, because I think you get smaller ones and you get bigger ones.
I was actually looking at a smaller one for the Patrol, for the Y62.
So we could have sort of extended sound on the Y62. And the trailer's got a spare switch, as we worked out at the weekend, so we could wire it up direct.
It does. So you can have just flip of a switch, sounds on.
Cool.
So what's the connections on that? So that's power out. And that's power in.
Yeah. So that's 12 volt power in.
So you can put this in series.
That's the aux
in. So you can just plug in a standard 3.5mm jack.
Yeah, and aux out.
And you can plug your headphones into that.
And I love the fact they've actually labeled them. That's super handy.
That's why it looks like I know exactly what I'm talking about, because I'm reading these labels.
Yeah. Cool.
All right, well, I think it's time to take it down and put it on a trailer. See what it looks like.
See what it sounds
Try to mount it and then see what it sounds like.
Cool. Well, thank you.
Thank you, Ecoxgear.
Yeah.
We'll give it a proper test and let you know what we think.
We definitely will.
All right, let's take it down.
All right.
Where do you think we should put this?
Well, see, initially I had it in my head that it would sort of go, you know, like up here. But I think that's just a bit too much. I don't like with the awning and the tent and all that. I don't think it looks that great.
I mean, it definitely can be outside because it's waterproof, but I think it just looks a little bit too busy.
It's a bit much though, isn't it? Another option was kind of like here.
Yeah.
But again, it's pretty busy.
Kind of like the idea, like I've seen on other like people's other cars, that it's always like you can't really see it, but when they pop into the camp, and then like open the back of the car, it's just like there, right?
Yeah, you see guys opening up the back of the canopies and utes and all that. Well, one other option. What about, which would also be good for wiring, but what about if we put it inside, sort of like up there?
That's cool.
And then we can run the wiring over.
So the wiring can run through inside.
And the great thing is, so A, it's a bit more secure.
Yeah.
B, the lights are going to project.
Oh, because it's got the lights at the back.
It's got lights at the back. They're going to project into the tent. The front lights are going to project. And then the trailer is going to create some sound with the...
That's cool.
And then
when you add other things, it's just basically sort of undercover, clean trailer. And when you open this, party happens.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that idea.
Even though this is kind of nice and safe, don't worry guys, we'll take it off and we'll stick it in a mud somewhere and test it properly. All right.
Okay.
Let's drill some holes. Do you still trust me with drilling holes in your trailer?
Nope.
No? Okay.
Nope.
Do you want to drill it?
Nah, you can do it.
Do you want to do it? Nope. Do you trust me with your trailer? No.
Nope.
Do you want to do it?
Nope.
No. Do we have some lights?
Yeah, we can turn the trailer lights on.
Are they inside?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want lights?
Now we're talking.
I'll give you lights.
Man, this trailer has everything, doesn't it? Shout out to Trackstar.
Yeah.
No, this is good. Like having lights like this inside.
Yeah.
Genius. Right, so let's just drill a few holes. We can drill one here.
Okay. Dude, you made a hole in the roof of my trailer.
Oh, is that not where you wanted the hole? Sorry. It's not my trailer, so it's fine.
That'll be through.
Looky there. This even comes with a Allen key. Tighten this. That's awesome. You guys can also have a look. It comes with quite a few more different length bolts. So this kind of helps you to be able to attach it through a few different ways, few different locations in the car and the trailer. So all you guys want to do is clean it up around so the surface is nice and clean. And then just put a bit of silicone around You really don't need that much, but make sure it's all the way around. And now we just put a washer on, and that's gonna sort of nicely seal everything. Okay, we'll leave it for now. We'll do the other side, we'll tighten them both. Alright, so that's all tight. Let's see what it looks like in here. Oh yeah.
Behold.
Look at that.
Nice.
Why is it not straight?
Because you drilled your holes in the wrong place? Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's much better.
Yeah, so if you guys tighten these screws about halfway, it holds it in place, but it allows you to still adjust as long as you're within these kind of cut grooves here.
That's perfect. Oh, and we've got a phone charger on there as well now.
Oh, that's cool.
That's cool. Yep. USB socket in there.
So you can plug your phone here, put it down here, charge it while it's playing. But yeah, that is solid.
It ain't going anywhere.
Nah. Corrugations.
Well, we'll corrugation test it.
Well, it's impact proof.
Dust proof. Waterproof. Snowproof.
Well, if it's waterproof, then it's definitely snowproof too, no?
I would have thought so.
Because usually snow is water.
Really?
And if it's dust proof and waterproof, then it should be mud proof too, since it's a combination of the two.
Honestly, some of your revelations sometimes are just startlingly
I mean, if it's waterproof, then you could say, well, it's cloud proof.
airproof. I don't know where I got that one from.
Yeah, because air is basically made out of water, isn't it?
Oh man, we have made rather a mess.
Shout out to Trickstar again. This bench here is bloody awesome.
Yeah.
You can fit so much stuff on it. Maybe they give you some spare ones. Hey, they do.
Oh,
They
perfect.
give you spare screws. All right, wiring. All right, so what we're going to do next is the wire it. So the wire runs from there through the inside. We'll zip tie it to that little piece. Then we'll run into this box. And as you can see, there are a few switches here. And we're wiring it to the last switch here because that's an aux switch. And so when you flip the switch, the bar will come on. Alright, let's get that done. So, just picking up where we left off, we just wired the positive into the box with all the switches, and we wired the negative to one of the cigarette light sockets.
Alright, moment of truth. That's a good start.
Alright.
That's my switch that does nothing, but now should do something.
I'm nervous, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, because I don't know if I wired it the right way.
I have huge faith.
I don't.
Speaker on.
Oh my god.
Speaker on.
Ready to connect.
We're ready to.
Speaker mode.
Ooh.
Yes.
Let's try and Bluetooth, shall we?
Yeah. Just press some button.
Press this Bluetooth button, see what happens.
So we have not read the manual, so we just trying to see how intuitive this thing is.
We're being typical blokes, aren't we? You don't
Your
read.
phone is connected.
See? Who needs any
Oh,
of
wow.
that? Right.
I mean, who reads manuals?
Yeah, manuals are overrated.
Let's see what this button does. It's got a little picture of a white bar.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah. Red. What, a bit white.
so if you hold it, does it change the intensity?
Accessory mode enabled.
Oh gosh, what have you done?
What's an accessory mode?
No idea.
Oh yeah, it changes.
Yeah, cool. What about this one? What is
So it's got 3 intensities of white, red, and yellow.
Okay.
One red.
Can I press this button? Ooh!
Oh, that is cool.
Yes. Blue for the FJ. Come back. Oh, it's got it on the
Alright.
end as well, look.
Oh wow. Alright, let's play some music.
There's these guys, they're just like on YouTube, I watch them every week. They're called
What's it called?
Off-Road TV. Let's try them, shall we?
Oh yeah.
So, got a bit of a kick to it, eh?
It's loud.
I can barely hear you talk.
Right.
This revolutionary new device can remove up to 10 times more earwax than a traditional cotton swab.
Awesome.
Alright, what do you think?
I love it. I mean, it's super loud. The lights react to the music. In the dark at camp, that is just going to kick off brilliantly.
No, honestly, first impression, this is pretty cool. It's easy to install. Plenty of options where you can stick here, install it. The wiring is easy; it just clips in.
Seriously robust thing as well.
Yeah.
It's sturdy.
Yeah, I mean, when you hold it in your hand, you can feel like you're not scared to drop this.
Yeah. And the other thing is, one button, pushed it on, one button, Bluetooth connected, away you go.
Oh yeah, it's simple. I think that's really cool. Lots of this technology stuff is just, it gets complicated. You download an app and this and that, this.
Yeah.
Press a button, it does what you expect it to do.
No, you're impressed.
Right, now it's time to test it in the real world. We'll see you guys at the camp. And we are in the camp. Well,
Several months later.
several months later.
We had to road test it.
We did. We took it through its paces, didn't we?
We did. Yeah.
Corrugation roads,
Mud, dust,
still going.
over obstacles, yeah.
What are your thoughts?
I have to say, I love it. It's one of the best additions to the trailer.
Yeah.
That thing gives off awesome sound.
How clear is the sound on that?
Yeah, brilliant. Really.
I mean, honestly, guys, full volume. No matter what song you pick, you'll hear everything.
yeah. The
So
lights show at night, so you get the lights lighting up the trailer at the back, and then you've got the lights at the front, and you can have them sort of matching the music beat. It's so cool at camp to have that going. So, yeah, absolutely love it. Would highly recommend it. I would
100%.
actually love to get another one. So move it across and have two.
Because you can link them, right?
Yeah, so you can link up to 50 of these.
50.
50, yeah. So they've got this Ecoxgear system, and you can link all the speakers up. So if you had one in your car, or your mate had one in his car, you just link them all
That's
up.
awesome.
And then you get heaps of sound. So great feature.
Oh wow, we need to test that.
Yeah.
Just need another one.
They also just released a subwoofer now. Can you imagine a subwoofer in the trailer?
Ooh,
How good would that sound?
that would be next level.
Yeah. So guys, this is the Ecox SoundExtreme. This is the 26-inch bar. It's a Bluetooth speaker, and they also do a lithium version now as well. So if you don't want to wire it up, you can have a lithium version as well. They've got smaller ones as well. So if you've got smaller spaces, they do a little shorter one. Check out their website. These guys do some awesome gear, not just these speakers, but some other stuff. So check them out.
Yeah, they've got these little, it's like a lantern,
Yeah,
but it's actually a Bluetooth speaker.
yeah.
Pretty
And
cool.
it does power as well, doesn't it?
Yes, it does,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
It's like a power bank, Bluetooth speaker, lantern.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, these are awesome. I want one.
This is our absolute go-to. Get to camp, open the lid, turn that on, and have the tunes cranking. We always put the drone up to check who's around us, so it's not too loud, because
Yeah.
this thing gives off a lot of sound.
I love the fact that it's got a remote control, so like you're sitting around a campfire, you might change a song or something, you need to find your phone,
Yeah.
click it.
And your mates can hijack your Bluetooth signal and,
Yeah, true.
and take over the DJ duties.
You
So.
can take turns, yeah. Installation, as you guys saw, easy to install.
Yep.
So many different ways you can install this, because it is dust-proof, waterproof, anything proof. You can mount it outside, inside, wherever you want.
Yeah, you
And
can have them on buggies, you can have them on trailers, boats, whatever you like,
Can you imagine like a dune buggy
with a roll cage.
with a roll cage and this mounted behind your head?
That'd be pretty cool. Driving across the Simpson. All right, guys, check it out. Highly recommended. Absolutely love it. And go check out these guys on their website. Cheers.
Good stuff.